Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see. Oh, you might be thinking, what is ma'am doing today? Every time I say, good morning children, welcome children, hello, how are you? Acha, why I was singing? You all want to know why I was singing. Can you see the name of the chapter? What is the name of the chapter? Devotional Path to the Divine. What am I doing just now? अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I am taking a class. I am making a video. I am starting chapter 8. I have started chapter 8 history. Yes. So, dear class, welcome to the class today. So, how did you like the beginning? I hope you all liked it. Okay? So, this is the chapter that we will be doing today. It is the devotional path to the divine. अब मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I am taking a class. I am making a video. And at the same time, I am remembering God also. Oh God, thank you so much for everything. Oh Lord, please give us strength for a very happy and healthy life. I am taking a chapter, I am making a video, but then I am talking to my God also. We can do it anywhere, we can do it anytime. Got it? That is what I wanted to tell you. That's why we started the chapter in a different note, because it is the devotional path. It is the way to reach the God. Every time, for me, right now, you are God. Got it? I find God in you. ऐसे भी children for children, I mean inside children, I always find God. हमेशा मुझे भगवान नजर आते हैं. Believe me, it's not just because I have to say, that's why I'm saying, but that is there. Here I could feel there is God here around me. यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है, सब जगह है. Everywhere God is there. This is how we start the chapter. Devotional path to the divine. I'm sorry, to the divine. Okay. Now, you all have seen people perform rituals, worship, singing bhajans that I was doing just now, kirtans. Qawwali is also there. Qawwali, yes, I know Qawwali also. Damadam Mast Kalandar, Alita Pehla Number. This is a Qawwali, very famous Qawwali. I mean, I don't think anybody in India or anybody in the world, many places in the world also people know this. Alita Pehla Number, Damadam Mast Kalandar. That is Qawwali. Bhajan I have done in the morning. Abhi when I started. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. कीर्तन, थोड़ा सा कीर्तन में क्या होता है? Music is there. Bhajans you can do anywhere. Bhajans maybe there are music. But then bhajan, kirtan, qawwali, and just sitting in the silence, doing something, whatever you want, and repeating the name of God in silence. God is there, silence is there, and we keep on repeating the names. That is how the things happen. That is how the changes happen. Life changes. You get peace. हमेशा दौड़ते रहते हैं, भागते रहते हैं, पता नहीं है क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. So just sit quietly and devote some time to the Almighty. And क्या होता है कभी कभी इट हैपन्स टू मी, पता नहीं इट हैपन्स टू यू और नॉट, दैट देखो आज मैंने हाथ ऐसे ही रखा हुआ है बिकॉज इट इज डिवोशनल पाथ. So I feel like I should talk like this. I am talking to God. I am trying to be close to God. For that purpose, I am just taking this mode. Got it? So in silence also sit and think about God. Many a times it happens that people start, tears come out of the eyes. So when tears come out of the eyes, it means you had a very different experience with God. आपका एक अलग तरीके का इंटरेक्शन हुआ है गॉड के साथ. Isn't it? So that is how the things happen. And some of the people, they are moved to tears. इतना devotion, I mean so much of belongingness or love of God is various kinds of bhakti and Sufi movements. So what we are talking about in this chapter today, the chapter that we are starting, we will be talking about bhakti and Sufi movements. Bhakti. We started the video today with bhakti. Okay? Love of God is legacy of various. Love of God, you believe in God, any God you believe in, any supreme power you believe in. आँख बंद करके उनका ध्यान दिन भर में एक बार जरूर करो. God is not saying sit the whole day and just say God, 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 भगवान, भगवान, भगवान. No. Keep on doing your work because I hope you all know work is worship. आपका काम ही आपकी पूजा, isn't it? So when work is worship, so work accordingly, na? Whole day you don't need to sit and just remember God. And what is the idea of God? What is the idea of Supreme Being? We need to understand that. Idea of Supreme God. One God is there. God is one. हम खाली नाम अलग अलग हैं. Somebody calls it Allah, somebody calls it Bhagwan, somebody calls it Khuda, somebody calls it Vaheguru. The Sikh people who are there, they call it Vaheguru. So names are different, but yes, there is one supreme power which is running the whole world. दिन हो रहा है, रात हो रही है, ठीक है. Whatever things are happening in this world, there is some power working behind that. कोई तो इसके पीछे काम कर रहा है. Okay? Large kingdoms when emerged, Supreme God when we are talking about, Supreme power when we are talking about, we need to understand from where did this Supreme power come. Large kingdoms emerged, different groups of people were there who were worshipping their gods, goddesses, अपने भगवान की पूजा अपनी तरीके से कर रहे हैं. All the people were brought together. Okay, all the groups, every village had different people staying there. They had different concept of God. ठीक है, I'm worshipping a different God. Somebody else who is sitting near me might be remembering some other God. Okay, so people together, what happened? People were brought together. पहले तो सारे लोग साथ में आ गए. And then towns grew, trade grew. बड़े बड़े छोटी छोटी गांव, बड़े बड़े शहर बनते चले गए. Small villages started becoming big towns. Okay, trade was happening, business was happening, सामान बाहर जा रहा है, empires were established, new ideas began to develop. नए नए तरीके से लोग सोचने लग गए. Okay, new ways of thought process was developing. All living things which is there, everybody who is staying in this world, all the living things, they pass through countless cycle of birth and rebirth. Now this is my birth. Okay, I am here standing in front of you. Okay, as a woman, as a teacher. Okay, and I am guiding, I am interacting with you. इसके बाद a time will come when I won't be there in this world. I will pass away. Then there would be a cycle of rebirth. I would be born somewhere else in some other form. ठीक है, good deeds हमेशा इसलिए कहते हैं ना, people should always accustom to good deeds, and bad came to be widely accepted. आपको गुड डीड्स करना है, अच्छा काम करना है, एंड बैड वर्क इज नॉट टू बी डन. हम बुरे से दूर रहना है. एवरीबडी, एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग. सुना होगा आपने, यू माइट हैव हर्ड, भला करोगे भला मिलेगा, बुरा करोगे तो बुरा ही होगा. तो यू शुड गेट अवे विद दिस प्रैक्टिस ऑफ बैड. नेवर. All the human beings are not equal. You all know it very well. Even when you are born, even at birth, during this period, the belief that social privileges came by birth. You are born in a rich family, you are rich. And born in a very high caste family. हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में क्या है? There is caste system. High caste, low caste का एक a different system is followed. So this high caste, low caste, how it is existing, what are the various other practices that are there, how it can be controlled, how domination, subjugation should be avoided, that high caste people are looking down upon the low caste people. इन चीज़ों से अलग हटके काम करना है. Got it? तो social privileges was coming from birth. In a noble family or a high caste, many learned texts were there. जो high caste people were there, the people from high society who had some money, or the king's family, तो ये अलग जगह पे जाके एजुकेशन लेते थे और अलग तरीके से रहने की प्रैक्टिस करते थे. तो इनको कास्ट सिस्टम के बारे में बताया जाता था. ओके, हाई कास्ट इज देयर, लो कास्ट इज देयर. ये एक सिस्टम है जो हमारी सोसाइटी में एग्जिस्ट करता है. इट एग्जिस्ट इन आवर सोसाइटी. यू माइट हैव स्टडीड अबाउट इट इन क्लास 6, isn't it? Now what happens? Many people thought, many people were uneasy. Please understand that बहुत सारे लोग इस कॉन्सेप्ट से कंफर्टेबल नहीं थे. Because ideas of supreme God is there. We need to understand कि if supreme God is there, तो वो God का concept कहाँ से आया? Got it? When we are talking about the idea of supreme God, तो where did this concept come from? Okay, concept of high caste and low caste was there. Casteism was practiced. Abhi try to understand कि in India we are practicing the caste system. Casteism is there, but in the other parts of the world there is no caste system. लेकिन वहाँ पे class होता है. High class and low class. ठीक है, this class system exists. Okay, so concept of high caste is there. Was there, and the low caste people did not get proper education, but high caste people where concept of high caste existed. Got it? So many people were very uneasy with such ideas. What is high caste and low caste? We are born in the same world. वही खाना आप खा रहे हैं, वही खाना हम खा रहे हैं. आप थोड़ा अच्छा खा रहे हैं, हम थोड़ा कम अच्छा खा रहे हैं. That is there. Then why is this concept of high caste and low caste existing? ऐसा क्यों करते हैं हम कि why do we segregate the high caste and the low caste? Okay, so many people, they turn to the teachings of Buddha or the Jain, and people were uneasy. Buddhist and Jain people, they discarded the caste system. Buddhism and Jainism, what did they do? They discarded the caste system. They said ki no, there is no high caste and low caste. Everybody is born in this world and everybody is equal. And other people, they were feeling attracted to the idea of Supreme God. Some people say, Buddhist and Jain, they said ki social differences needs to be overcome. Society में इतना ज़्यादा भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए. There is cycle of rebirth through personal efforts. ठीक है, a person who is born, a person who is there will die also. So when the person has died, will again take birth somewhere. So Supreme God existed, everybody was accepting it. A supreme power is there, and the people who are there in this world, they will be free from the bondage of devotion. I mean, from such bondage, they could be free कि birth है, rebirth है, death है, अच्छा कर्म, बुरा कर्म, इन सब चीज़ों से अलग हट के बात करनी है. Because what was happening, the people of high caste, they were studying a lot and they were coming up with new concepts. बड़ी ideas लेके आते थे, बड़ी concepts लेके आते थे. तो the people felt attracted to the idea of Supreme God, and they said, we did not believe in the high caste and low caste. For that purpose, this idea was discarded and a new devotional path was found. एक अलग तरीके से भगवान के बारे में बात करनी है. There has to be a different way of going near to the God. This idea advocated in the Bhagavad Gita. It was written in Bhagavad Gita. Popularity was there in the early centuries of the Common Era. Now this idea of caste system, no caste system and equality was talked in Bhagavad Gita. And popularity increased in the early centuries of the Common Era. Many people started believing in it. They said, हाँ ये बिल्कुल सही है. भगवत गीता का concept होना चाहिए. And everybody should accept this concept. Okay? Bhagavad Gita में it was mentioned कि कोई there should not, the caste system that existed, every caste can follow the path of bhakti. उसी को फॉलो करके क्या हुआ, कॉमन एरा में इन द सीई कहते हैं ना, पहले हम क्या कहते थे, बीसी एंड एडी होता था, बट नाउ इट इज बीसीई एंड एडी. कॉमन एरा, ठीक है, बीसी एंड बीसीई, बिफोर कॉमन एरा एंड कॉमन एरा सीई. तो दीज टू कॉन्सेप्ट एग्जिस्टेड एंड पीपल वेयर वर्शिपिंग different gods. कहां से आया ये? From where did it come from? Who were the people who have mentioned about it? So this was for the first time advocated where different gods which were worshipped, Shiva, Vishnu, Durga, were called as the supreme deities. अपना अपना तरीका था, ठीक है. Amongst the, I won't say Hindus, I mean the practice that existed in the society, I'm talking about that. Okay? Shiva, Vishnu, Durga, all these gods were worshipped. Lot of rituals were there. बहुत तरीके से इनकी पूजा होती थी. Okay, in this process what happened? Local people played very important role. Local myth was there. Legends became a part of the Puranic story. Okay, in this process, ये जो इनकी पूजा जब होती थी तो बहुत सारे local customs and traditions were there that were also practiced. Big people, big legends became a part of the Puran. Puranic stories were there. Puran matlab Ved, Puran, these are some of the books that were written in very ancient times. किसने लिखा, कब लिखा, ये भी नहीं पता है. But the Purans and the Vedas, Puranas and the Vedas are there, which are some of the very popular books and studied by the scholars all over. हर तरफ scholars are studying this. Local myth and legends, these were becoming a part of the Puranic stories. जैसे कि वाराणसी is there, the god Shiva is worshipped here. So Lord Shiva and the stories related to Varanasi is mentioned in many of the books. Yes, that is what I want to talk about. Lord Buddha, Sarnath, and the stories related to Sarnath are there in Buddhist text. बहुत सारे Buddhist text में, Buddhist किताबों में आपको इसका जिक्र मिलेगा कि how Lord Buddha came here. He gave his first sermon. अब वो पेड़ भी अभी तक है जिसके नीचे बैठ के उन्होंने अपने पहले 5 शिष्य बनाए थे. He became the Guru. He became the great Buddha. Everybody used to come to Kashi. Everybody used to come to Varanasi. हाँ, Lord Shiva was already there. तो ये जो कहानियां हैं ये आपको टेक्स्ट में मिलेगी. You will be getting these stories in the books, in the Purana. Got it? And a method of worship was mentioned. It was introduced into the local cult. कैसे पूजा करनी है, कैसे God के बारे में बातें करनी है, how to practice all these things. And Puranas also mentioned, Purana mein it is mentioned that it was possible for devotees to receive the grace of God. If anybody with full-fledged, एकदम दिल से कोई भगवान को याद करता है, you do it from your heart, you remember the God from your heart, God listens to that. Okay, but you are doing all bad things, you are not listening to your parents, you are disobeying your parents. पहला तो God आप देख नहीं सकते हो. So God said कि how many people are there? सबको कैसे God नजर आएंगे? God is only one. So what did God do? God said कि अच्छा चलो ठीक है, take mother, father. They are your God. Children, believe me. Believe me, children. Because you do not have God, because God is not near you, so God has sent mother and father. You have to worship them like God. I hope you are doing it. You love your parents, don't you? Of course you do that. But then you have to give them the status of God. They are gods. You need to believe that. Got it? So grace of God is there regardless of their caste status. Puranas also said कि for every devotee, for every person who is staying in this world can get the grace of God. And the idea of what we are going to discuss in the next topic is the idea of bhakti. Bhakti. Idea of bhakti was becoming very popular. That Buddhist and Jain also adopted this belief कि आप जितना मन से भगवान को याद करोगे, as much with your full heart, you will remember God. God will be there always to help you. Got it? So all these concepts were coming up, which were giving a different direction to the bhakti movement, to the belief in God. How did it start? Who were the people who started this concept of bhakti? What did they want to tell in this bhakti movement? कैसे बताना चाह रहे थे? क्या बताना चाह रहे थे? This we will be doing it in the next class. Got it, children? Buddhist, Jain. Acha, Buddhism and Jainism you might have studied in the last class. Yes, the story of Lord Buddha. Yeah. So वो आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, उसके बारे में भी हम इसको पढ़ेंगे. Got it, children? 2-3 things I want. I every time show it to you in the book. I'll be just showing it to you.
Dear students, so we have started this new chapter, Devotional Paths to the Divine. Many things we discussed today. I hope you all liked all those things, and how we can go more near to the God. That is what one of the very important things that is mentioned here. Got it, children? So ये हमने देखा. One thing that I wanted to point out is you need to understand about the major thing that we will be discussing here in this chapter is Bhakti and Sufi movements, isn't it? Since 8th century it has evolved and it is bringing lot of changes. And when we started the class, we started today's class, today's video with lot of inspirational things which talked about bhajans, kirtans, kavalis. All these were part of our chapter. All these were part of our video today. So idea of Supreme God. We understood about the idea of Supreme God, where people in the olden times were worshipping their own gods and goddesses. सबके अपने अपने भगवान होते थे और उन्हीं भगवान के थ्रू सारी चीज़ें लोग करते थे. Towns were growing and people always believed on the cycle of birth and rebirth. Okay, good deeds, bad comes to be widely accepted. All these things that were there, people were accepting all that. All human beings are not equal, of course we know that. Lekin certain religion which came up, it was talking about the customs and traditions that were prevalent in India. उससे अलग हट के कुछ चीज़ें वो बातें कर रहे थे. Got it? And social privileges were coming from birth in a noble family, and high caste was the subject of many learned texts. Then we also understood about Buddhism and Jainism. Most important is Bhagavad Gita. Abhi I have every time give you some homework. So today I am giving you the homework. In the next class, I would definitely like you all to recite. Just let me see how many of you will do it. One shloka from Bhagavad Gita. Yes. These things needs to be imbibed. आपको कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आपको सीखना है, जो आपको समझना है. So Bhagavad Gita, which is giving us lot of good things are there, lot of practices are there that Bhagavad Gita teaches us. इन टीचिंग्स को हमको सीखना है. किससे सीखना है? यही चीज़ हम यहाँ पे बातें करेंगे. एंड वी ऑल्सो टॉक्ड अबाउट द डिफरेंट गॉड्स विच एग्जिस्टेड इन आवर कंट्री. अभी क्या मतलब, अभी भी स्टिल वी वर्शिप दीज गॉड. शिवा, विष्णु, दुर्गा, दे आर द सुप्रीम डीटीज़. इनसे बड़ा कोई नहीं है. फॉर द पीपल हु आर रिसाइडिंग इन इंडिया, द पीपल हु आर फॉलोइंग द हिंदुज़म कल्चर, तो दे वर्शिप दीज डीटीज़, दे वर्शिप दीज गॉड्स एंड गॉडेसेस, एंड दे आर वर्शिप्ड इन डिफरेंट एरियाज़. अलग अलग जगह पे अलग अलग नाम से हैं, लेकिन फॉर्म इज़ वन. Then I wanted to show you this picture. Look at this picture, a beautiful picture which is showing one scene from the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita से ये एक सीन लिया गया है जहाँ पे कि कृष्ण भगवान रथ चला रहे हैं and Arjuna is sitting. Just see, the detail is mentioned here. A page from a South Indian manuscript of the Bhagavad Gita. Manuscript, you understand manuscript? What is manuscript? Yes. Books that are written by hand. Okay. साउथ इंडियन मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट जो है भगवत गीता का, उसमें से ये पिक्चर लिया गया है। हैंड रिटन बुक्स वेयर वेरी कॉमन एंड वेरी पॉपुलर इन दीज एरियाज। पहले क्या होता था, पहले प्रिंटिंग्स तो था नहीं। जस्ट सी वन क्वेश्चन इज़ हियर, लोकल मिथ्स एंड लेजेंड्स आर देयर। बहुत सारे लोग इसको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं। क्या कुछ लोकल गॉड्स एंड गॉडेसेस के बारे में आप पता कर सकते हो? अपनी दादी दादी होंगी, उनसे बात करना, दादी नानी कोई होंगी ना, उनसे ज़रूर बात करना, वो बताएंगे आपको। गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्लास में विल स्टार्ट अबाउट द नयनार्स एंड अलवार्स and their customs and traditions. Till then children, thank you so much and all the best to you.